Hi friends, today we will see how to create sub accounts for any main accounts with the example. Assume that we are selling the electronic products where we are selling the different kind of product related to the different companies. We are selling Apple product, Samsung product, Google product, so that all the inventory related to these products should come under inventory asset. We will see how to create all these subcategories. Come to transaction, select chart of accounts. See here it's showing as an inventory asset. All these Apple product, Samsung and Google products should come under inventory asset as a subcategory. We will see how to create it. Come to new. Here we will give first as an account name. Account name we will give first as an Apple product. In account type, since inventory is classified in the other current asset, we will select as an other current assets. Here we will select as an inventory since it is an inventory item. Here please make tick for this, make it as a sub account. Here parent account is inventory asset. We can mention any description and save. Now we will create for Samsung products. Account name is Samsung products. Account type will select as an other current asset since inventory is coming under other current asset. Detail type, it is an inventory. It should be as a sub account. Make this as a please tick mark here. Parent account is this is an inventory asset and save. Next we will create for Google. We will select as an Google products. Select as other current asset. This is an inventory. Make this as a sub account. Parent account is inventory asset. Save. See, are you able to see here in inventory asset it's coming as a sub account as an Apple product, Google product, Samsung product. I hope you understood this video. Please like and subscribe.